Hey everybody, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So in this video, since it is the end of October and you are watching this on November 5th, we are going to be doing our side hustle income from eBay and Mercari for the month of October. So in this little envelope, we have all of the cash that we have made. This is all purely profit right here, but we are going to break it down on profit, how many items were sold, shipping costs and fees for eBay and Mercari, and also we are going to be stuffing just a little bit of our challenges, or not challenges, but our challenges, sinking funds, and all that stuff. So if that is something that you are liking, if you like these videos, and if you're not subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and be a part of my family. So this week, as always, we are not getting paid, but we got paid from eBay and Mercari. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to count how much we made. This is purely profit. So we have 50, 100, 20. Uh-oh. I should have fixed the money around, but I didn't. 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, and 74. Before I started filming this, I was actually trying to figure out what envelopes are going to get, like the amount they're going to get. So that's why the money is out of order. But $174 is purely profit. And I am just going to do this. Now, if you're a little confused about side hustles and selling stuff and reselling and everything, so I am a part-time reseller on eBay and Mercari, mostly on eBay, dabbling a little bit more in Mercari, but I do this video once a month just to see my progress, and I stuff whatever I want to stuff pretty much. It's always going to be either savings or debt, and then some of my sinking funds. All right, so let's go ahead and just break it down for you guys. So the total profit for eBay was $127. And then for Mercari, our total profit for that was $47. So let me make sure that that adds up. 127 plus 47. Yep, 174. So before we do our taxes, because we have to save for taxes, guys, let's go to eBay. So eBay, the total items that was sold was 18 items. And the total items on Mercari was 4. So we had a total of 22 items that went out of my house that I sold, got rid of, and is at somebody else's house being very loved and cherished. All right, so next is the shipping costs and the fees. Now these, I hate shipping costs and I hate fees because it's a big chunk of money that comes out, which is very, very, very sad. So for shipping costs for eBay was $97.52. It's terrible. I know. The fees for eBay, which means like any ad fees, any eBay fees, anything like that. So that was $61.46. Crazy, right? And then the shipping cost for Mercari was $24.72, which I try to keep everything a pound or under. And a lot of them, the 4 items that I did sell was roughly around, it was like 15 ounces. So I just bumped it up to a pound, and a pound for USPS is $6.18. So I just times that by 4, which gives me $24.72. And then the fees, which is like buyer fees, I think selling fee, and I think there's something else, which for Mercari, I didn't really keep track of it in October and the previous months, but coming up in November, I am going to be tracking that a lot more. But I did track like one item, and it was $1.59. Their fee taxes and sellers taxes and shipping taxes and all that stuff is a lot cheaper than eBay for sure, but it's fine. I love both platforms. So let's go and do right here. I'm just going to write the total before taxes, which you are going to go crazy on it. So I'm just going to say total before. All right, so the total before, drum roll, if we didn't have shipping costs, if we didn't have fees, it would be $359.29. That is how much I could have made pure profit if shipping or ad fees or anything like that does not exist. But it does, and this is the life we have to live with. I'm fine with it because I'm still making a profit. I still have some money that came home. All right, so let's go ahead and do the taxes for 20%. So 174 times 20% is going to be $34.80, and I am just going to be putting $34. So I'm going to get my taxes envelope, and I'm going to do, let's do this blue marker again. So it's going to be $34. So 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, and 34. Okay. So let's do that and that. 1, 2, 3, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, and 52. So we have 52, 1, 2, 3. So $352 for taxes. And I'm just going to go arrow right here. $352. So that is going to be really good for taxes. Hopefully we don't have to pay taxes this year. Fingers crossed. Mercari, I don't have to pay anything because I am only at $300 and the year ends next month. And I do not think that I'm going to be selling $300 in a month. I know I'm not. So I know I'm not going to have to pay for Mercari, but eBay is a different story. I'm already past, I think the past 3 months I made, I think it says on my profile it was like $916. So for sure, I will have to pay eBay taxes, but hopefully not. We'll see. All right, so moving on down here to our cash envelopes. So we have debt, vacation, Dobby, and money challenges. Debt always is going to go towards Capital One. Vacation, we are saving up for my birthday trip in January, on January 14th, because we're going to Charleston. And then Dobby, because Dobby has a groomers next Friday, so we have to stuff that a little bit more. And then money challenges, of course, I do that every single Tuesday. All right, so let's go with debt first, which is going to be right here. And debt is going to be getting $50, which equals to $50. So we're going to go ahead, that's the YouTube channel. I got to get my miscellaneous, which is right here, $50. And that is going to be going into the bank. Vacation is going to be getting $50 as well, and I am running out of ink. Dobby is going to be getting $20, and money challenges is going to get $20, which that was equal to $20. And then we'll see how much we have in vacation, which vacation is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be pulling money from everywhere. So it's going to be coming from my vacation fund or my vacation challenges. And then also my sinking funds, which I don't think we have anything in vacation because I empty it for the challenges yet. So we don't have anything vacation. So I'm just going to get this out and we're going to count, which I will not update this until Tuesday. So you got to catch me on Tuesday to see me coloring it in. So vacation is going to be getting $50. So we have 100, 50, 60, 70, and 75. So we have $175 for this birthday trip. Now you're going to get a little confused because this $50 is going to come out of the birthday trip. I know it's getting a little confusing, but if you watch my Tuesday's videos, y'all will understand. And I'm going to put the $50 in vacation fund, and I will take it out whenever I do the money challenges on Tuesday, so I won't get confused about it. All right, so next up is Dobby, and Dobby is going to be getting $20, like I said, because we have a groomers coming up. So Dobby, you will be getting $20. So we have 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 20, and 30. $130, which is going to be great. $130. And then this one we have $175 for vacation. And then the money challenges is also getting $20. So 10, 15, and 20. So this is going to be shown on Tuesday, which hopefully this $10 bill will go towards the $10 challenge because we need to complete that before Christmas, you guys. But anyway, so that is going to be set aside. And that is it, you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Just a little recap of what we did. So this is the October paycheck for eBay and Mercari, my little side hustle, part-time hustle that I have. The total profit for eBay was $127 and Mercari was $47. The total items that we sold on eBay was $18 and the Mercari was $4. Shipping cost for eBay was $97.52. Shipping cost for Mercari was $24.72. The ad fees and whatever extra fees that you have to pay is $61.46 for eBay and $1.59 because I just didn't track that for Mercari. The taxes that we had to save was 20%, which was $34, is $352. The little savings challenges or any kind of challenges that we did save was $50 to go towards debt, which is our Capital One. Vacation is $50, which equals to $175. Dobby was $20, equals to $130 that we have in his envelope. And then money challenges, we put $20, which $20 will be stuffed on Tuesday. But that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for coming on here, hanging out with me on a Saturday morning. And I will see you guys on Sunday for a what sold on eBay and Mercari. It's going to be a little bit short. It was a very slow week this week. But anyways, I love you guys and thank you so much for all of your love and support. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.